Yo, I here with Lil More. Live in the building, about to show you how it goes down. Feel me?
Go London, go London, go London.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing this blonde wig that I have on my head that came exactly like this. I didn't have to do no toning, no shadow rooting, nothing. It came like this. I just tinted my lace with my foundation, plucked it, did what I had to do. So I'll show you guys literally how quick this was. Like, it was super quick. I don't even know how long this video is going to be because it was such a quick install. Like, oh, I love when a wig just comes ready to go. All I had to do was literally pluck it in and add foundation so it can match, the lace can match my skin tone. This is from Alipo Hair. It is their pre-highlighted and toned blonde wig. The details will be in the description box. But yeah, keep on watching if you want to see this gorgeous hair. This hair is 24 inches, 180% density also. But yeah, keep on. I haven't been blonde in so long, but keep on watching.
I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you, I said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you,
I like how we up in the place and it's going down, and I don't mind. Everyone stares cause they see it's around. Love me, touch me, boy, you know I'm comfy when I'm with you, and it's true. Oh, cause we roll with G's unbelievable. What happens between us, I need to know. When you slide, I slide. That's exactly how we keep it G on this side. I know for sure you're the one I wanna spend my life with. And he said, yeah.
said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you, I said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you,
I like how things are going not too fast. You keep me on track, and I love the way you move, the way you groove. It's all of the things you do, and I want to stay with you for the rest of your life.
said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you, I said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you,
Yo, I here with Lil More. Live in the building, about to show you how it goes down. Feel me?
Go London, go London, go London, go London, go.
this is Stevie BB's. He's
Right. Told him he could pick me up at night, tonight. And I'm feeling extra fly. Something about the way you ride. He said, where'd you wanna go? Cause we can go there. Any place, anywhere. And we some hot steppers, ain't nobody fresher. Pull up outside and step clean when we turn up. Yeah, you know what's going on. And I know for sure you're the one I wanna spend my life with. When you say
said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you, I said that L-O-V-U. Where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling. But you,
I like how we up in the place and it's going down, and I don't mind. Everyone stares cause they see it's around. Love me, touch me, boy, you know I'm comfy when I'm with you, and it's true. Oh, cause we roll with G's unbelievable. What happens between us, I don't need to know. When you slide, I slide. That's exactly how we keep it G on this side. I know for sure you're the one I wanna spend my life with. And he said, yeah.
So that O-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling about you. I said that L-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling about you.
I like how things are going not too fast. You keep me on track. And I love the way you move, the way you groove. It's all of the things you do. And I want to stay with you for the rest of my life.
So that O-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling about you. I said that L-O-V-U, where's the E that's between me and you? I'm a player, that's just what I do, but I can't help how I'm feeling about you.
Yo, I with a little more. Live in the building, about to show you how it goes down. Feel me?
Go London,